How to add music in WhatsApp status. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can add music in your WhatsApp status photo. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First steps first, open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, head over to the status section that is on the bottom left. After you tap on it, you'll find add status option right there. Tap on it. And from here, you will be able to choose a photo. So choose a picture. And after you choose a picture, on the top, you should find the music option. Now, sometimes this might only work for the updated latest version of WhatsApp. So if you don't see the music icon on the top, what you might want to do is head back here, go to your App Store, and on your App Store, search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, open that up. And if you see an update button instead of open right here, tap on update and then update your app. After you've updated it, you can then open up your WhatsApp, go through the same process that we did from the beginning, and then you should see the music icon on the top. Tap on it, and then all you have to do is simply choose a music, then post it. And yeah, it's basically that simple. And that's how you add music in WhatsApp status photo. Thanks for watching, guys. That is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and